Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 6th of May. Another very cool morning, but the weather warms up over the weekend, and by next week, it will feel more like summertime. And no rain for a while. Now, let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. First off, coming from Inverness, the Wingate Inn, a little bit of fog out around the Cahaba River. It's clear and cool. From Tuscaloosa, looking east from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, a fair cool morning. And from Gulf Shores, haven't checked that Skycam lately. The big summer crowds will be down there before you know it. It's May 6th here and warming up. The Gulf waters are getting warmer, and weekend down there looks great in case you're beach bound. That's coming from the Phoenix All Suites, looking over the public beach. There you go. Nice shortwave is actually rotating through this morning, and normally if you have moisture, it would be raining, but there's no moisture, so it's not. In fact, we'll peek at the radar coming out of Nashville, and you can see a little light rain with that feature over Tennessee and Kentucky, but not very much. And that will be scooting north and east of the state today, so again, we stay dry. And yeah, it's cool. Look at the Gadsden sitting at 39 here at 5 o'clock this morning. Wow. Birmingham 48, Tuscaloosa 47. And again, things warm up over the weekend. We'll be back in the 80s tomorrow and Sunday, but today highs should be in the 70s. And look at that. How about that watch warning map? Just nothing happening. And that's really amazing for May, early May. Typically, you've got severe weather, flooding, something going on, but it's just not happening right now. And again, that's a good thing for a state that was battered so hard by severe weather a week ago. There's the rain around the nation, and again, not much here. In fact, I say nothing here. I know it's got a sliver of green across North Alabama, but I think we stay dry. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week at 7 o'clock. Check the modeling. This is the OZ run of the GFS, the Global Forecast System, at 1 o'clock today. That's shortwave energy passing east of the state. Got a northwest flow aloft, and we're dry. Ahead of the wave, some rain is squeezed out on the South Atlantic coast. Highs today, probably mid-70s. Both the GFS and the NAM are printing 76. Tomorrow, nice day to kick off the weekend. Low 80s are likely. And again, the dew points are still low tomorrow with dew points in the 40s, so the humidity not bad. But Sunday, we'll start to make the transition to a more summer feel. Dew points come up into the 60s. We'll be in the mid-80s. And again, we'll be dry. Here's Monday, and here's what's happening. Got a big trough evolving out west and a big ridge pumping up over the east, the downstream ridge. So that's going to warm us up. And Tuesday, the whole thing amplifies. And, of course, underneath that, it will be warm and very dry. Highs around 90. Maybe some of the warmest weather so far this year. Wednesday, same thing. Lots of sunshine, kind of muggy, up around 90. And Thursday, we stay dry, but look at the cold front off to the west. 1,000 millibar low near Green Bay. And a week from today, a trough beats down that ridge. The big trough that was out west lifts out, and that pushes a cold front in here, and that is the next chance of rain. A week from today, Friday the 13th. So for everybody in the tornado disaster areas across the state, just be aware of that. You got a week. I don't think it rains a whole lot. I don't think there'll be any severe weather with that feature, just maybe some thunder. And then the following day, Saturday the 14th, the trough sets up over the east. The cold front is by, and it turns cool. So, yeah, we'll be around 90 for the first half of next week, but it looks like that following weekend it will be significantly cooler and maybe stay that way for a few days. And the end of the forecast on May the 21st. A new trough out west around here. Things look quiet at this point. But again, the good news, no sign of any severe weather issues here for the next 15 days, and that's the important thing. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We will have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never witnessed anything like this, and I hope we never do again.
People are coming in to help them. That's what Alabama's all about. It's almost as if a bomb went off.
My baby's alive, my husband's alive. We made it.
I'm demolished, I don't have nothing. Just chaos, really.
It's just a nightmare that I know that I cannot wake up from.
God can do with it as He will.